to my channel. For today's video, I will show you on how to create or make new YouTube channel using phone. In order for us to have a YouTube channel, we need a Google account. It's like all-in-one. If you sign in your Google account on your phone, automatically you are already signed in on your YouTube channel and Gmail. Let me show you. This is the example. Here in my phone, I already have this Google account. We will open the Google account here. At the top, this logo. When you tap that one, it says here, this is my email address here. It's already stored in this device or phone. Check also in Gmail. The Gmail also here, it's same account. And the YouTube also, when you tap the YouTube, here also, this is the account. So now, for us to create new one, in this phone, or any phone you have, we need to log out first. So first, tap this Google account for you to sign out. Then tap the logo. Then tap this manage account on this device. This one. Tap your Gmail here. And then you remove account. Tap remove account. Remove account. Now let's check if it's already removed. We'll just refresh it. Then go to Google again. Now as you can see in here, this logo, when you tap it, the L is there also. We will open the Gmail. Here, no more also. And the YouTube. So no more. This one says here, sign in now to upload, save, and comment on videos. Anyway guys, let me clarify you. If you remove a Google account in your cell phone like we did just now, it doesn't mean that you cannot open that anymore. If you want to use that Google account again, you can. You just sign in again. But for today, our topic is to how to create a new YouTube account or Google account. So now let's start. Now let's start to create our new YouTube channel. So first, tap this Google. This one. Tap. Then tap this logo. Then here, if you have already your own account, you can sign in. As you can see, sign in and then put your email. But for us to make our new account, so today our topic is how to create new one. So here, this one, we need to tap this create account. Tap create account. Then tap for myself. Then put your name. So I will put my name. Then last name. Then next. Then our birth. Enter your birthday and gender. Here as you can see, Google have already picked a Gmail address. This one. Or you can create your own Gmail. So if you don't like this, you tap the create your own Gmail. Then put whatever you like. Next, after you create, that one, if it's already used, that user is taken. So try another. So we'll try another one, another Gmail. Then tap next. Then create a strong password. with mix of letters, numbers, and symbol. So now we will create our new password. And here it says add phone number. If you like, you can add this phone number to your account. So here, for example, your number will be used to reset your password if you forget it, receive video calls and message. How it works, Google will occasionally verify your phone number by exchanging your device info with your carrier or via SMS. So now, tap this yes, I'm in. Then review your account. So this is our account. Then tap next. Then this is the privacy and terms. Just scroll down. Then tap this I agree. Then here it's asking for backup and storage. So just tap accept. Then now as you can see, here we have already logo letter L. So just tap that. As you can see, this is our new Google account. Then we will check also our Gmail. Tap Gmail. Then here also, this is our Gmail account. Then now we will go to YouTube. Open the YouTube. Then tap this logo. So here, as you can see, this is our Gmail account. Then here, you can also add an account. Tap this logo, letter L. Then here, as you can see, this is our Gmail account. Next, tap this your channel. Tap your channel. And here, as you can see, you can put your picture here. And you can also change your name. What you like to appear in your YouTube channel. If you want to put photo, tap this. Tap. Then you can here take a photo or choose from your gallery. Choose from your photo. So now we will choose from your photo. Tap that. Then just allow. Then now we are here in our gallery. Then tap save. Then now we have already photo. Then now we will change the name. Tap this. Then change. Here as you can see, you can put as many as 50 letters. Then here, visible to all users on YouTube. Then if it's okay, tap save. If this okay with you, tap this create channel. Tap. Then now our channel is already created. So here as you can see, our channel is this. And then here, you can edit your channel. You can manage also your video. Now let's edit our channel. Tap edit channel. Edit channel. Then here, you can put your description. Tap this. Then here you can put your description till 1,000 letters. You can put hi, I'm Lornell, like that. And if you are on tutorial, vlog, lifestyle, like that. But for now, we will not put. Anyway, we can go back after that. If you have already made up your mind if what you really like in your channel. So here you can see also, keep all your subscription private. Keep all my save playlist private. If you want them to see you, you can just put this like that. You change your shape. If you tap this, we will put here our banner. So tap that. Then you can take a photo or choose from your photos. But for now, we will skip that one. Then here you can see videos. You can create here. Here, share it with anyone, everyone. You can create your videos here. Channel about. Now, we will upload videos. You can either tap this one to upload videos, or you can tap this manage videos. Let me show you. This manage videos here, there is upload videos here, upload videos. And then the other one, this one down, it says here, upload video, create short, and go live. So either of the two, it's up to you. So here, this one, now we will upload video. So here, upload a video. Tap that, upload a video. Then, allow access, tap allow access. Allow YouTube to take picture and video, tap allow. Then, you can play this. If it's okay with you, just tap this next. Next. Then here, you can put your title, what is all about, that one. Sample how to create. Then you can add the description. So we will put also same how to create. Every time we upload, put first private so that we can see if we have a copyright claim before putting or switch on public. As you can see, you can put public, unlisted, private, or schedule. In schedule, you can put your date and time when you want that one to be premiere, or video is private before publishing. First, we will put that one on private, especially if you will post a cover song, any videos with sounds or music, so that we can check if there is any copyright. So put private, then back. Then you can put your location, allow. It's up to you if you will allow, you will put your location. Example, I'm here in the US, you put US, Philippines, like that. So back. So this one, if it's okay with you, there's already title, your description, then it's private, then your location. If it's okay, tap next, tap next. Then here, it's asking if it's made for kids or no, it's not made for kids. So here we will put always no, it's not made for kids. Then upload. Then now it's uploading. Now we're done uploading. We will check now. Tap this profile picture. Then go to your YouTube Studio. Tap that. Then tap this loaded video. Then now, as you can see, restriction none. If you want to edit, tap this. Then now you can edit, you can put anything you want here. Put as 5,000 letter. Then if it's okay, then you can go on private or public, unlisted. Now, if you want to publish now, you just have to put public. So, then after that, advanced setting, here you can see if you will allow comments, then this one, people and blog. What is this for? For entertainment. How to, you can choose from here. If you don't like the video, you can delete from YouTube. Then if it's okay, just back. Now, if you want to put a thumbnail, tap this pencil again. Then tap the pencil, this one. This is the thumbnail that the YouTube suggests. But if you have a custom thumbnail, you can put your custom thumbnail or you can download the thumbnail. If it's okay, this one, you just select here what you like your thumbnail will be. Then just tap the select. Then this is your thumbnail now. If it's all okay with you, just tap this save. Then now it's already uploaded. So as you can see, it's already uploaded. So now we will check now this one. It's already here. You have already videos. As you can see, you have already videos. This is your video. Now guys, we're done creating our new YouTube channel. If you learned something, give it a like, share, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. God bless us all. Bye.